you're not, get in your cars. Please remain on the upper decks and have your friends pick you up in the car park. But we definitely do need drivers and cars. And we need all the people who did the Farser Island Company 2-day camping safari with Kieran. If you're not in your bus yet, you need to make your way down and be in your bus for departure. Those who did the Farser Island Company 1-day tour with Richard, please remain upstairs. You have a courtesy bus waiting for you on the mainland. Also need all the people who did the Hummer tour with David and Jason. So if you're on a Hummer tour, please make your way.
Et comme quoi il est pas, enfin comme quoi ça va jouer.
Bah ouais, attends, je dirais, t'imagines oh, sorry. Most of the stuff right there.